1 appel, 1 sokkie, sien 1 kous, so, dat is 'n 1. So dit is 0, 1 or not, 1. En Afrikaans, we say 0 for this one. That's a 0, 0, en dit is 1. Okay. Dan gaan ons oor na nommer 2 toe. Number 2. The next letter is number 2, and it like this. That is a 2. See, that is 2 of 2. 2. 2. Dit is 1, dit is 2. So dit is 2. Sien, dit is 2. Or English, we say it is 2. 2. Afrikaans, we say it is 2. Then the next one is number 3. So that is 3. 3, 3, and 3. 3 houses, 3 slices of bread, 3 snye brood, 3 kinders hulle die straat loop, 3 rand, sien, 3 rand, 3 rand. En die volgende ene sê ons is 'n 4. 4 means 4. You see, that is 4. 4 slices of bread. 4 snytjies brood, 4 rand, 4 kinders, 4 appels,